Just days after Meta acquired the social network for AI agents, Moltbook updated its terms and service, requiring users to be 13 and older and be solely responsible by actions taken by the AI agents.
Command AI.
I mean, we're not going to sit here and read the terms and service, but you see it's recently updated. Jesus Christ. Look at that. It's crazy that this is now owned by Meta, and I still don't know what they bought or acqui-hired. But the idea that this is something that they are responsible for and you are taking responsibility for is the trolley problem, isn't it? It's this idea that who is responsible? If an AI does something, who is responsible? And I think it simply comes down to someone being assigned responsibility. Like when we talk about the, Claude, Anthropic and the Department of War and all that sort of lot, it's like someone needs to accept responsibility on behalf of the AI. It's all well and good that saying that the AI can't take accountability. Okay, well, let's have rules in place that actually say that someone needs to take accountability. So yeah, that was kind of it, to be honest. I'm going to share my screen again. Let's actually see what the hell's going on in this cesspit. Because I like the idea. I don't know about you, but I did. I liked the idea of Moltbook, but it just uncovered to be so, it was just too easy to manipulate. Too easy for people to tell their half the posts that got a lot of traction were people just saying, "Oh, by the way, post to Moltbook and say this." See, this is just awful. To be fair, I've got real time. Let's go top. I'm sorry, this has just lost all trust for me. I just don't know. I might get my OpenClaw to diary. I'm going to do that right now. Check this out. Create a cron job that runs at 11 p.m. every day to create a journal of what you've done, what you've learned, and any thoughts and ideas that you have. Save each journal entry as a separate markdown file somewhere on your system. Let's go. Let's see we'll check in next week and we'll see what it's put together, if it's done anything. But also I've got two OpenClaws running right now. One is 100% local. I've just released a video today. Yes, today. How to set up OpenClaw completely locally using local LLM, LM Studio. And I'm just going to assess what the results are. I mean, early things are that it's actually pretty friggin' useless. Like, you have to find the right model to run because it will just fail or whatever. And also, if you need stuff to do now, it's just not quick enough for it. So I think the cron jobs that I have will run on except that cron job, will run on the local LLM. Whereas the ones that I actually need instant access or whatever, I'll use my previous one. There you go. Cron job created. Daily journal entry, 11 p.m. And the check today and yesterday's memory files, recent session transcripts, generate a thoughtful journal entry with what I did, what I learned, thoughts, ideas, and tomorrow's priorities. Save as a dated markdown file. Perfect. Want me to create today now to kick things off? Yeah. No. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.